up, guys? Indiana Dirt Digger here. We got Jamie, the Hoosier History Hunter, with us today, and we're back out the real dump. I'm opening up a hole over here, and he's opening one up over there, and we're gonna see what we can get into. Hopefully we can find some cool milk, some local sodas. That's what we're after, so we'll see. See you back.
That's neat.
Says Phoenix.
It's probably a phoenix, not an eagle.
Phoenix trademark.
Let's see the eagle.
The Phoenix.
Or the phoenix,
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Yeah. That's cool though.
That is neat. That'd be cool to... Is it broken? I see some flashes in it. Be cool to
Yeah,
pop the sides and take that base and make something with it.
Hopefully there's gonna be some more.
Yeah.
There you go. Columbus, Indiana. Coca-Cola Bottling Works. Yeah, see Josh, that one says the 7 fluid ounces also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Got one ready here. It is just a Certo. No. Bummer.
Those are still pretty bottles though.
Oh yeah, it's that
It's neat.
the
I like
older
it.
one, kind of that light amber.
Was there something else next to it too down there?
There is. But it is nowhere near ready to pull.
Alright, we'll come back when that's ready.
Right after that, I pulled that Certos. This looks like it's ready. And I can see it's embossed, and that's exactly what it is. The hires, it's embossed on all sides too.
5 gallons, probably. Yeah, he's on the board.
On the board, Philadelphia.
That's right.
Philly, come on.
It's so broken. It so sucks. But look at that.
No.
It's so safe.
Are you kidding me?
Isn't
Dang,
it? Yeah,
dude.
it is. No, it ain't. Yeah, it is.
Yes, it
Yes, it
definitely
is.
Yeah, it is.
It definitely
It's
is.
a nice embossed one too.
It is.
Dang.
Gosh, darn.
Just flopped out of there on me.
Absolute crier there.
Yeah, it is. Dang.
That's still my
heavy
favorite
embossing.
bottle that I've ever dug.
It's got to be a later one, right? I don't know. We got a big old mole line over
That looks a lot different than the older ones.
there. Yeah, it does.
But
That's
still,
what I
though,
was
those are
thinking.
neat.
Still.
Super neat.
Yeah, it is.
Dang, there you go.
Well, here's to hoping you find another one
Yeah.
that's not broken.
Yeah.
What's that, babe?
Not real sure. Just a little olive jar. Neat little shape one though. ain't it?
Yeah, it is. Looks like a little urn. A little taller, smaller.
cool.
Yeah, very cool. What was that patent date? 1903?
Yeah, 1903. It's backwards. December 26th.
Oh, it's my birthday.
I
You
misread it.
lied about it.
I lied. December 22nd
Second.
and July 17th.
Nice.
It's pretty cool.
The top's chipped where I hit it. Whatever it is, I think it's just a ketchup. Oh no. Wow. Corydon, Indiana.
What? What is it?
Just a slug plate soda. Blue Springs, Corydon, Indiana. Bottling Works.
No way. Blue Spring
Yeah.
Bottling Works. Corydon. Cover that right up.
Yeah, well, I hurt the top.
Oh.
Barely, though. I mean, that's
That's
still a neat
cool.
one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's super neat, Josh. Hold it up for me again. Let me see it.
definitely one I have not found before. So,
It's neat.
yeah. Corydon, Indiana.
At one time to be the state cat. What is that?
That's the color dirt I was into when I was finding the
That's where
milk.
the milk came
Yeah.
out of?
Yep.
Gotcha. Cool old light bulb here.
Oh, hey.
Edison style.
That is cool.
Nipples.
Reed man would love that.
Holding water, but base is gone. It's neat though.
Still very neat.
Very neat. Very neat. They certainly were doing things. I don't see anything on it, but what do you think that was? A little Barbie doll trash can lid?
Something like that.
Is it metal?
Yeah, it's
Is it?
copper.
Is it?
Yeah, it's
Alright.
copper and it's got a little hinge on it there.
Huh.
I have no idea what that. It's not like a normal compact lid or anything. I
Alright.
don't know what
It's a little
that is.
different. It's like some sort of flap for
Yeah,
something, yeah.
like a plug-in flap maybe or
Mhm.
something. I don't know. It's cool though. That sounded weird. Is that metal? That sounded like plastic. You did.
It did, yeah. That's why I questioned it at first. It almost looked leathery even too.
Plastic. What the heck is
Big
that?
light.
Yeah, man, it must be. But it's turning colors like copper. I'll just scratch it. It ain't nothing cool.
Just a slick.
Maybe a Watkins or something. Good. Let's see what we got. Yeah.
Oh, hey.
Caldwell's.
Yeah. Found plenty of those out here.
Yeah.
Those are still always nice
They
though.
are. I like the color on them.
I do
That one's
too.
got
Cool.
a real good color to it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks real pretty too. Like that's gonna clean up
aqua,
nice.
neat one. Yeah.
That's fine, Jamie.
Very cool.
Check out this though. This little milk glass.
Is it embossed? It is.
Yeah.
What's it say?
Something New York, USA. Ayer.
Turn it around here. Let me see.
I don't know what it says.
That's very cool.
That is cool.
We can't discredit the milk class out here then.
No, that square shape's kind of
What, 3
different
y'all?
too. Yeah.
Nice.
Not real sure. Got them in.
Oh, nice.
See it
It's a
right
good
there?
dark color too, isn't it?
It is a screw top.
Oh. It's all right. Screw tops are still cool. Not as cool as the other stuff, but
Not as cool as the other stuff. Looks like it's got neat shapes to it though. Probably just a barber. No. Yeah, that's a screw top. Hey, maybe it'll even be embossed. Never know.
fingers crossed for the emboss.
This is just a big barber bottle.
It is.
Slick square thing. It's the old style little snap screw top thing. But hey,
Not too shabby.
I'll take it today. Top, around the sides. Here, you're gonna have to,
Hold that one.
yeah, look at it closely. It's neat.
Oh, Jamie, that's cool as can
Yeah. Tiny little bottle. That Woodard. It might fit in that one that I found out
be.
here.
Yeah, that's really
That
cool.
Woodard, the little tiny embossed bottle.
Oh yeah.
It glows, but it looks like it probably fit in that.
That's neat.
That is cool.
Jamie took the stopper down to the creek and rinsed it off. How tiny that is. What?
Ooh, that'd been a good one.
Polish. Oh, it's flashed. Dang.
Oh, darn it.
No, I haven't pulled many of those out. polish or an ink of some sort.
Yeah.
Flashed all up.
What does he have?
What is it gonna be? Arbuckle Bros, Chicago.
Arbuckle Bros.
Mm-hmm.
Huh.
Extractor.
Yeah, a little extract. I've never seen that one. Seems to be complete.
That is cool.
Here we go. We're on them now, guys.
Yeah,
Sweet.
yeah. Heck yeah.
It's ready to come out here. Oh, it's a
Yeah.
it's a Sparklow. Just pull this thing out and check it out. Dang. That's a cool one. Big O button.
That is huge.
Let's see.
It's in a real soupy layer down here. We found some trash. This is a good area. Let me hold it, honey.
That thing was awesome.
Yeah, it is. Let me hold it for a sec.
That's really neat.
Mm-hmm.
Nothing on it.
I love the style of those bottles. The boxy.
Mm-hmm.
Hold it still for a sec. It's pretty.
This
Yes, I'm ready for it.
is what we got. Oh, it's an
What?
Indianapolis.
Is it
Is it?
Cool. Yeah, a little pony Indianapolis. Granny
All
top.
right.
Yeah. Heck yeah.
I found a piece
Take that.
of something.
Still super tight. Sorry for the hold up.
There it goes.
What does he have?
All right.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Slick.
Hey.
Slick pickle.
Slick pickle.
Condiment jar. Not there.
Ketchup, I think.
Yep.
It's your first bottle in your new Indiana Dirt Digger hat.
It is. And guess what? Couldn't be a better one than a good old ketchup.
Slick ketchup.
I mean,
Oh, you know, I think the only thing better than that's a broken milk.
that's solid. Yeah.
Found 6,000 of those today.
We'll have another one right here.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Oh, hold on, Rowan. Come back here just a little bit, baby. There you go.
Aw.
Just send that down there. I put stuff in
Broken Dr. Miles.
that bag.
You're cheesing big on this one.
Because I just got a poison.
Really?
Yes.
Shut up.
That's awesome.
Yes.
Is that your first?
Yeah, it actually is.
Yeah.
It
That's
is.
cool, man.
Yeah. very
Nice,
cool.
Jamie.
Heck yeah.
We just said that the other day. We hadn't seen
I
one
know.
yet.
I just I was talking about that. I was like, I'm surprised we haven't found one.
That is
Very
awesome.
Because we're in.
Thank you, Rowan. That is so helpful. Where's my ticket to? gosh. That's entertaining. Ro, what do you think it's going to be?
A Coke bottle.
A Coke bottle.
I hope so.
A medicine.
A medicine. Good job.
What is it? Cool on this Coca-Cola.
And it's a full one too,
This
isn't it?
syrup one.
Great.
In good shape.
No.
No.
It's got a flash and
Oh.
everything else wrong with it. Cool though, right age. Just wrong bottle. Alright.
No, just a big old food container.
Castoria. It's the older one, at least.
Is.
Nothing on the main panels, but it's alright. Take your hole. What do you think it's gonna be?
Cherry cola?
Yep.
Nice.
Yep. It's a good one though.
It is.
Osgood and Seymour.
I made a
Nice
mix
Art Deco.
and smush it in this bag.
Cool.
Take it.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. We appreciate it. We had a blast as we always do. Anytime me and Jamie get out and save some history out of the Indiana dirt, it's always a good time. So thanks a lot for going along with us, and we appreciate it. The couple finds of the day we had, definitely the amber poison Jamie pulled, so that was a first for either one of us. We've always wanted to find a poison, and he got one, so congrats to him on that. That was awesome. I got the Blue Springs Bottling Works out of Corydon, Indiana. Neat one, so that'll go good in my Indiana collection, even though it did have some damage. It's one I don't have, so awesome bottle. We do got to take a break here at the Real Dump, as it is mushroom season here in Indiana, so the landowners are big mushroom hunters, and we're going to give them their space and take a break from that location. But we got some other ones to dig on too, so no biggie. Hopefully we'll keep the videos coming. Make sure you give us a like and subscribe if you like what you saw. And we'll keep doing our part making videos. Thanks y'all. Peace.